How to turn on or turn off noise suppression on Discord. So whether you're on Discord mobile or if you're on your computer on discord.com, it's the same type of process. The first step is to go to the settings menu. So on your computer, you want to go to the bottom left hand corner where you see the little cog. Click on that there where it says user settings, same thing on your mobile device. Then you'll want to go to voice and video, click on that. Once you've clicked on the voice and video section, you'll get to a menu like this where you want to scroll down a little bit until you see the section where it says advanced, and then you see a bit where it says noise suppression. For you, it probably says none right now. You want to make sure it clicks standard. That's going to be turning off and on the noise suppression. You can also do echo cancellation and automatic gain control if you want to as well. And then if you want to remove it, all you'll have to do is go to the bottom where it says reset. You can also do a few other things in this voice setting menu, but that's how you reset at the bottom there. Then if you want to turn it back on, you can go back into the user settings. So leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.